Hey everyone, today we're diving into something a little different, a device called Nubbin. You might have heard about it, especially since it's been tied to some serious online buzz. But is it real or just another piece of fiction? Let's unpack the details and find out if Nubbin is something you can actually buy or if it's just a marketing hype. Quick disclaimer before we get started. This review is based on personal opinion and research. I'll be referencing official sources and other insights, so stay tuned for my final verdict. First, let's take a quick look at the website, this one, where you'll find information about Nubbin. According to Scam Advisor, the site does have a valid SSL certificate and is considered safe by DNS filter. But there are a few things that raise some red flags. For one, the website owner has used a service to hide their identity on Whois, which is a common tactic for people who want to stay anonymous. Additionally, the site ranks low on Tranco, which suggests it's new and doesn't have much traffic. Now, here's where things gets interesting. According to malware tips, the Nubbin device is not real. It was actually created as a part of a marketing campaign for the show Black Mirror Season 7. So despite all the hype, Nubbin doesn't exist in the real world. You can buy or implant it anywhere. But here's the twist. It got people talking. It made them think about the possibilities of technology and in true Black Mirror style, got us questioning what's possible. And that in itself makes it an intriguing concept. So is Nubbin real? No, it's not. It's a fictional attack from a marketing campaign, and if you were hoping to get your hands on it, you're out of luck. But despite being a fake product, Nubbin sparked some real conversation, and isn't that what makes good marketing? Just keep in mind that if you find it online, it's part of the creative world of TV, not actual tech. Thanks for watching.